Hello everyone, Joseph Zabrowski. This video follows the one I did yesterday that I sent out also today regarding what's going on, Jamie Dimon. One of the elements that I did not include in that video was what's going on in China, because I had talked about the ICOs, all the demands on the ICOs in China. I talked about that in previous videos, so it was kind of like putting those two videos together there. You had to watch both of them to really know what's going on. But what you see here on the screen is, if this is not a for sure thing, but this is the talk, and I'm just keeping you posted. The objective is so that you know what's going on, and so that you know the great commodity that Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency markets really are. You see, all this points to is that, I had said in my video yesterday that we're dealing with tyrants, okay? People like Jamie Dimon and people of his ilk, teaming up with China. They're all coming together. All the establishment types are trying to stop something that is their main competition. And so the newest news is that BTC. We know that BTC China was shut down. Okay. And now they're talking about two big exchanges, the OKCoin and Huobi. They're to close in October. That's a so-called report. As to whether that will really happen, I don't know. But that pretty much says, in terms of the news, the news will trigger the markets to go up and down. That's just a fact. There's nothing you can do about it. It'll trigger the markets to go up and down in the short term. But in the long term, truth will typically outweigh the short-term news. Okay, so whether that news is a bunch of lies or whether it's the real thing, it will move the market. So they're saying that these two huge exchanges will be closed in October. They're supposedly meeting today with regulators. Notice, regulators. They're trying to regulate this now. And so, but the word in this article is that after they meet the regulations, then they will open back up. That's what they're kind of saying in this article. As to when that will be, we do not know. But if these exchanges close down in October, you can bet that news will come out and it will affect the markets. But this is just giving the Bitcoin markets more character. It's giving the people in Bitcoin more character because, as we get through this, as we work through all these tyrannical moves by the tyrants, we just get stronger. It's just like more junk thrown at us. We get stronger, and we'll keep our stance, and the people and their money will prevail. So now, if that wasn't enough, I'm going to share something with you. It is just in that will back up what I'm saying. Okay. If you didn't hear about it, the Chinese government is developing its own cryptocurrency. Isn't that it? If you can't beat them, then join them, right? And they don't like the fact that they're not controlling the cryptocurrency market, so they're going to get in on the game because they want that money, boy. They want that money and that power. So they're going to create their own cryptocurrency. And you can bet that various other countries worldwide will follow suit, probably even America at some point. So that's just something that's been, they've been talking about, and it's just another bit of information for you. In other words, as we continue moving forward with Bitcoin, there's going to be all kinds of news. There's going to be a plethora of events that are going to occur from these tyrants to try to stop we the people. This battle has been going on for centuries, and now we're seeing it here in the financial realm. And it is a good thing, my friends, and you are right in the middle of it. There's so many fascinating things going on in the world today. I mean, biblical. Actually, when you read biblical prophecy, much of it coincides. And in fact, there's been over 2,000. There's over 2,500 biblical prophecies, and over 2,000 of them have come to pass. So these are extremely fascinating times, you guys, and we are right in the middle of it. So I want to keep you up to date. Take heart and stay strong, and just continue to know that we are in the right place, and we are bringing the wealth back to the people, and let's continue to do that, and let's stand up for it. If you want a clean and passive way to leverage Bitcoin, where you can earn money, on a consistent basis 5 days a week. Click the link below this video. Also up here on the left-hand side of this video, here near the end, you'll see a button that you can just click on. It'll say Leverage Bitcoin. Click here, something like that. You can click on that and you can get started. It's a great way to just cleanly leverage Bitcoin and not have to actually get into the exchanges and trade yourself. And I'll be there for you through your journey. So if you have any questions, I'll put my phone number probably at the bottom of this video as well. And I hope to meet you. And let's prevail, my friends. Take care and have a great weekend. God bless.